Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. I figured I'd show you some of my overflow and like stockpile stuff. So we'll start with the bottom shelf. This is the stuff for my homemade laundry soap. This is bug spray and sunscreen and chapsticks. Most of the stuff I got from samples or I bought at like reduced price, except for the laundry soap stuff. But I can basically make laundry soap for pennies, so that's what I do. I get some laundry soap too, but that's what I really rely on. Those are lotions, body wash, and body wash. That's toothbrushes and toothpaste and stuff, and tooth picks and things like that. The bags are like samples, like tiny size samples. Or for like traveling and things like that, which I don't do a whole lot of that, but I use them for trading. Or I can use them to give to people if they need it. This is colds and things like that for this winter if I need it. This is all shampoo and a few conditioners. This is hand sanitizers, which I put in my hand soap in the winter. Just to make sure that when I go out and about and I come back, I don't catch anything. I also have hand sanitizer on my backpack. Those are some wipes that I got from samples. Hand soap, which I put in a foamer, so I go through these. It takes quite a while to go through one of these because these are the refills, so I water it down a little bit to go through a foamer. Also, on these are from Avon that I had gotten from a lady that had just gave me a whole bunch of them. They're the roll-on things that the kids play with, the soap. But if I take the ball out that's in here and pour it into my foamer, add a little bit of water to it, and like I said, during the winter I put some hand sanitizer in there, it turns into foaming soap. So that's a good way to use those up if you have them and don't have kids anymore or whatever. Up here I have laundry soap and other, like, that's a laundry sheet that I got from somebody at the laundromat. But laundry soaps, also samples of laundry soap that I've gotten. These are all deodorants and sprays and things like body sprays and things like that. And a first aid bucket, which is like a whole bunch of little things. I got earplugs and calamine lotion and all kinds of little things. I also showed you a little pile of my shorts accidentally, but this is the all of my stuff that normally goes into the bathroom as I need it. Just some extras that I've had over the years, plus gotten new samples and things like that. So I will let you go for now. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, hit the bell notification for more, and we will see you next time. And until then, stay safe, stay warm, and we will see you again. Bye for now.